What's going on, guys? Today we are going over a new product that we just finished. These are our door panel skins. The reason we created these is we saw that there was a gap in the market for door protection that was not only cost effective but also durable. So therefore the birth of our door skins. So far we have the front doors done for the 3rd gen Tacoma, but we will continue to make these skins for the 5th gen 4Runner, the 3rd gen Tundra, and just kind of moving through each of the models. For installation purposes today, and to kind of show you guys and introduce you guys to these products, these are our 3rd gen Tacoma door panels. We laminated these ones in gloss just for video purposing. In the future, they're going to be laminated a satin textured black, which is actually the exact texture that is on your door. So this is that, and we'll show a little close-up video after we're done, but this texture will be very, very similar to the door. So it almost looks like you didn't do anything to the door except maybe add some cool graphics. We will have a few colorful ones that people can choose from, or just plain black to protect your door panel from being mashed when you're getting in and out off-roading, just beating the crap out of these panels. So we washed these panels 3 days ago. We went camping, came back, and as you can see here, I have scuffs from here all the way up into here from my boots just whacking the door. You can tell that there's a ton of dirt and grime down here. Up here is all good, but just a ton of wear and tear down here, and you can see like a few bottle marks in the actual cup holder from when we were putting in like drinks or other things that we were carrying around. So what we're gonna do today is this is how they will arrive to you. You'll have a driver's side and a passenger side. I have a feeling this topography type stencil is probably gonna be one of our most popular sellers. Therefore, this is the kit that we're going to install on our driver door today. So follow along. We're going to start with the lowest section that'll probably be the most effective in just the prevention of protecting your truck door panel. Some of you might be asking, like, what makes this vinyl different from the stuff that you can buy? This is actually side-by-side graphics, which means a regular Avery Dennison style type vinyl is 3 millimeters thick. This is going to come out close to 14 millimeters thick after you include like the adhesive vinyl and the thick lamination that these will be made of. So you can tell it's already sticking. So what we're going to do is we're going to start just right here to start on this specific panel, and you're going to line up this line. You're going to leave about an 1/8 of an inch gap around here. Okay, then you're gonna center it up and line it up along the bottom. So I'm gonna seat this stuff right here so don't go anywhere. That way I can kind of pull right here. Then it kind of stoops down right here. Latch that, and this is gonna come up. Still very malleable, even though it is very, very thick vinyl. It is not air release due to the vinyl being so thick, but you shouldn't have a problem having bubbles underneath because the actual door panel is textured. So we're gonna move up here, latch this section up like that. What's nice is these can stretch just a little bit. You should have a little bit of a gap all the way around. Okay, and all this can be applied. And actually I forgot a step previously to this. You're going to want to clean it. But this just proves how well this vinyl actually sticks to a dirty surface. It is a very, very, very sticky vinyl because smooth surfaces have high energy. Vinyl will stick to it really easily. Textured surfaces have low energy, which means vinyl has a hard time sticking to it. This vinyl is specifically for low energy surfaces. therefore a perfect application for our door panels on our vehicles to protect them against wear and tear. So I got the main one done. Now let's move up. To the cup holder. Okay, so here's our cup holder. This guy is gonna sit like this. Okay, these relief cuts are specific to the cup holders. If they overlap just a little bit after your install, you're more than welcome to trim them. Not every installation, unless you've done it a ton, is gonna come out perfect with these curved ones, but you'll wanna start in the upper left-hand corner or away from the speaker. Line up the backside like this. Okay. Once that's all done, once this is kind of all seated, you're gonna work your way through the middle and kind of seat everything, working your way this way. Cool, so I got the center all seated nicely. You don't want any tension there because it will pull out if you tack the two sides and kind of press down in the middle. You want to work one side down over to the other side. It's not how you apply conventional wrap vinyl. It's a little bit more application specific, therefore why we're making this install video. So now that I got that part done, now we're going to start working down and actually into the cup holder. Just like that. Dang, that looks good. We did have a little bit of overlay on the top. We could have shifted it down just slightly. So I'm glad we will not be using gloss, because even though I like the look of it, gloss just is so shiny. Looks good for install videos. Okay, next we're gonna move on to the other panel for the back. We do have molly panels that go here, so this is kind of like an addition. If you had a molly panel, you pop that off and you're gonna end up tossing this on there. Line up the bottom nicely. That's where you're going to want most of the protection. Cool. You kind of squeegee the bottom out, go up the middle, and then you kind of just work your way from the bottom, kind of overlapping just slightly, squeegeeing out all the air. For these door skins. Boom. Okay. Now what I should have done from the beginning, actually clean it. This piece right here is a little more bendy. It's important to clean this area really well because it's where your hands are, so more oils than normal. Cool. Now, this piece, you're going to want to orientate it toward this is pretty snug up in this area. Okay, you're going to want to watch this line right here. So I'll typically tack this line and then squeegee out and around, kind of like this. Okay, next we're going to be doing the door handle part. You're going to want to line everything up to the front up here. Leave just a little bit of a gap, just like that. And then you come down this way. Cool. Okay. Now let's say you apply them and you have a little bit of hangover on the edge. You can grab a little razor blade, come right here. Boom. That's awesome. Okay, cool. And then we got 2 more pieces left. Just want to make sure this is all seated really well, even though I'm going to change the design. Okay, we got 2 more pieces. We got the actual door switch and the door handle. Door handle right here. This guy is gonna go right in here. So you're gonna line it up like this. Okay, so this is the final product.
Let's go.
We are adding in a few additional pieces, but the main one that a lot of people I think are gonna be jazzed over that will buy is this one, just because that's the main area of conflict when getting in and out of your vehicle. Will avoid a ton of wear and tear, especially in that bottom section down there. Then we're gonna finish this whole kit, and I'm gonna show you guys this other design installed, and we're just going to time-lapse me installing it so you guys can see what it looks like. If you have any questions, shoot us an email. If you like this video, make sure you like, and don't forget to subscribe.
If you let me good, good, good with the moon and the sun comes up, then I love you too. I do, 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 do. Come on, get me in a mood, 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 mood. I don't wanna think about the world before you. Tunnel vision, I only know you lying in my arms like I won the lottery. Wonder if you ever get lightheaded at the thought of me, right? You feel so right. Insomnia, you're keeping me up at night. I'm calling in sick, 'cause I'm sick in love. I must admit you got me spinning like a carousel light. I'm upside down, go round and round and round and round. You're lightning, baby, don't you let me down. I feel let me good, good, good with the moon and the sun comes up, then I love you too. I do, do, do.
Yeah.
Boom.
That's good.
Comes up, then I love you too. I do, 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 do. Come on, get me in a mood, 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 mood. see clearly, no, it's really the